In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Binance customer support 24/7. Whether you're dealing with a complex issue or have a quick question, having direct access to Binance's support team can be invaluable. Let's explore the various methods you can use to get the help you need whenever you need it. First, let's look at possibly the most convenient and immediate option: live chat support, which is available around the clock. If you're on the Binance website, head over to the Support Center, where you'll find a little chat bubble icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a live chat window. Similarly, if you're on the move and using the Binance mobile app, you can access the live chat feature by tapping on the Help and Support section and starting a chat from there. When you initiate a chat, the first point of contact will typically be an AI bot. It's designed to handle a range of issues, but if you find that your query is particularly complex or the bot isn't able to assist you to your satisfaction, there's always an option to escalate. Look for unresolved or not relevant to get your conversation moved over to a human agent who can help dive deeper into the issue. Now, for those situations where you have a more detailed issue that requires thorough investigation, submitting a support ticket might be the best route. To do this, access the Binance Support Center and click on Submit a Request. Here's where you'll want to be as detailed as possible with the information you provide. Include comprehensive details about the problem you're encountering, and attach any relevant screenshots that could help clarify your issue. It's also crucial to include your registered email address to help expedite the resolution process. The more information you can provide up front, the quicker and more accurately the Binance team can work to resolve your concern. Finally, let's consider a social media option. Binance has an official customer support handle on X, formerly known as Twitter, which is @BinanceHelpDesk. This channel is useful if you prefer reaching out through social media, or perhaps if your other support options are temporarily inaccessible. When contacting them via X, it's advisable to send a direct message with your case ID. This will help the support team pull up your details quickly and assist you more efficiently. So there you have it. 3 efficient ways to reach out to Binance customer support whenever you need assistance. Remember, whether you're engaging via the live chat, submitting a ticket, or sending a message over social media, providing clear and thorough information is key to getting the best possible support. Keep these channels in mind, and rest assured that help is only a few clicks away. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in navigating any challenges you might face on Binance.